Hello guys, how to fix Windows App Store error code 0x80073d0a. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type services and open services windows in 11 and Windows 10. Here find out the option Windows Defender Firewall. Double click on it and choose a startup type as automatic. The next workaround is open Windows settings. Under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and scroll down and find the Windows Store app troubleshooter. Run these troubleshooters and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again open Windows settings app, choose app and click installed apps. Here search for Microsoft Store app, click on 3 dot and choose advanced options. As we have discussed earlier, this is basically a store error. So first choose repair, and if repair not resolve your issue, then reset Microsoft Store app. The next workaround is open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute these two commands one by one. And press enter. The same procedure will be applied for the next code. This code will also available in my video description. Copy from there and paste it in command prompt Windows and press enter. The next workaround is again go to Windows search, type cmd, open run command window. Any corrupted file system may cause of error, so execute sfcs scan now command to scan your Windows 11-10 system and it will definitely resolve.